Good day, everyone. I am Roger GRC Custudio together with Eliza Texon and Benhar Basa. We are the new English teachers here in Zamboanga City, and today we will explain what task-based language teaching or TBLT is. As a future educators in a multilingual region, we believe that PBLT helps our students learn English through real-life use, not just memorizing grammar. Let's begin by understanding what a task means in language teaching. A task is an activity where learners use English to achieve a real and meaningful goal. For example, students might create an activity, announcements for a barangay cleanup, or write a short speech to welcome visitors during the Hermosa Festival. In these situations, English is used for communication, not just practice.
Now let's talk about the task-based language teaching or TBLT. It is a teaching approach that focuses on learning through doing. Instead of learning English by repeating drills, students learn by performing tasks that are meaningful and related to real life. The goal is for students to communicate ideas, solve problems, and to collaborate while using English naturally. TBLT has two key characteristics. First, it focuses on meaning. Learners talk, write, and interact to express real ideas. Second, it is goal directed. Each activity has an outcome, like a plan, poster, or a short video. These outcomes shows that students are learning English for communication and real use. Hi everyone, my name is Eliza Bitexon from BSC English 2A.
TBLT is especially useful for students in the Zamboanga Peninsula because our learners come from diverse linguistic backgrounds, Chabacano, Tausug, Bisaya, and others. With TBLT, they can practice English while connecting it to their own culture and community. For example, students can guide tourists during the Hermosa Festival using English expressions of direction. Can also create an English safety reminder for their barangay. They can also discuss disaster preparedness in a coastal community. So these activities make learning more relevant and practical. They also help learners see that English is a tool they can use in daily life, not just in school.
In summary, TBLT means learning by doing. It allows students to use English for real communication and connects classroom learning to the Mindanao experience. By focusing on meaning and clear goals, TBLT prepares our students to become confident and capable English speakers in their communications. Good day, thank you and good day.